In the whimsical world of Kookaloo, where clouds blush and chickens wear socks, lived Finley, a boy with honest eyes but a fibbing habit. One day, he found a golden acorn and sneezed, summoning Sir Snizzlepop, a sneeze genie. With 3 wishes, Finley learned the power of truth and kindness. His final wish let everyone hear each other's hearts, spreading joy and understanding. In Kookaloo, every sneeze became a moment to listen for magic. Visit my blog for the full story, link in the description.